I'm programming the HomeLink in my 2015 Chevy Tahoe. I need to reset the HomeLink system, so I'm going to press these two buttons for about 30 seconds. Wait for it to start blinking rapidly. There we go. Now I'll put my garage door opener right next to the button, and I will press both the garage door opener and the HomeLink button at the exact same time. And then I will hold them until I see that HomeLink button start blinking quickly. There we go. Now let's test the garage door opener to see if it will close the garage door. And it seems to be working well. Let's test it one more time just to confirm we can open the garage door. Success. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.